Whether you're a worker, a boss, a freelancer, or someone doing gig jobs, something big just changed for you in India. New labor laws are now officially enforced and they're going to impact salaries, safeties and benefits and the job rules across the country. So today, let's break it down into simple terms. Starting off with, what exactly is it? The government has introduced 4 new labor codes. These codes are the Code on Wages 2019, the Industrial Relations Code 2020, the Code on Social Security 2020 and the Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020 again. So in short, instead of dozens of separate labor laws, we now have 4 big umbrella laws meant to cover the wages, relations between workers and employers, social security and safety in the working conditions. The Code on Wages was passed back in 2019 and the other 3 codes were passed in 2020 just before COVID. The government made them officially effective from 21st of November 2025. So basically these laws were passed earlier but full force from the late 2025. So how is it beneficial and what are the changes from the older laws? So here's what exactly will change. Minimum wage for all. Earlier, certain jobs had legal minimum wages. Now every worker has that right. Formal job letters. Every worker must get a written appointment letter, so no more verbal job promises. Social security for more workers. Gig workers and platform workers also get covered for insurance, pensions, etc. Better safety and working conditions. Free annual health checkup for workers above 40. Women allowed night shifts with proper safety. Equal pay for equal work. Simpler rules for businesses. One registry or license instead of multiple approvals. That means easier compliance, which can mean more jobs. Many of India's old labor laws were written decades ago, long before app-based workers, gig jobs and modern workplaces actually existed. The new codes aim to make the workplace fairer for workers and simpler for employers, so job growth and worker protection can actually go hand in hand. So in short, if you are a worker, check for your job letter, your minimum wage and benefit coverage. If you are an employer, update your contracts and your compliance systems. If you are a citizen, this is a major shift towards modern workforce with stronger rights and clearer rules for everyone. One big law book instead of many, stronger protection for workers, easier rules for employers, and labor market designed for today and not for the 1950s. Share this video so that more people can know what exactly is changing in our country.